Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best plastic wall anchors is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in any home improvement project, especially when you need to hang shelves, pictures, or cabinets on drywall without the risk of damaging your walls. These simple yet effective devices are designed to provide a secure grip, distributing the weight of your items evenly across the drywall, preventing the dreaded pullout that can ruin your decor and your day. Understanding their function and how to properly install them can save you time, frustration, and potential repair costs, making them a go-to solution for DIY enthusiasts and seasoned handymen alike. Number 5. Buildex Drywall Anchor Kit, 60 PCS. Introducing the Buildex Drywall Anchor Kit, designed for a hassle-free installation. These anchors pre-drill precise holes, making your mounting tasks easier than ever. Crafted from high-quality nylon plastic and stainless steel, these anchors are built to last. They offer excellent corrosion and rust resistance, ensuring durability in various environments. Experience a secure hold with our innovative anti-rotation design. As you tighten the screw, the anchor expands, providing increased holding power without spinning. Perfect for hanging shelves, blinds, picture frames, and more. These anchors are ideal for a wide range of hollow wall applications, providing reliable support. This comprehensive 60-piece kit includes everything you need for your drywall projects. It's suitable for various board types, making it a versatile choice for any DIY enthusiast. Easily mount objects on gypsum board, benzene board, and other hollow materials. These anchors provide the strength and stability you need for secure installations. What we like. This anchor offers excellent durability and corrosion resistance, ensuring a long lifespan even in challenging environments. Its anti-rotation design prevents spinning during installation for a secure fit. If you need anchors for general household items like picture frames or blinds in standard drywall, this is a reliable and straightforward choice. What people say. These anchors are very sturdy and hold up well even with heavy items. The design of these anchors makes them easy to install, even for a beginner. They provide a secure and reliable hold in drywall, preventing items from falling. Number 4. KURUI Drywall Anchors and Screws Assortment Kit. Introducing a comprehensive assortment kit designed to simplify all your hanging needs. It includes everything you require for secure installations, replacing traditional picture nails with ease. This kit offers 5 of the most commonly used sizes, perfect for a wide range of projects. Whether you're installing shelves, curtain rods, or decor, it provides the right fit for every task. Crafted from premium nylon and PE, these anchors offer exceptional strength and wear resistance. The accompanying screws are made of high-carbon steel, ensuring rust and corrosion resistance for lasting reliability. Everything is neatly organized in a clear plastic case, allowing for quick and easy selection. Save time and effort with this well-arranged assortment, keeping your workspace tidy. These anchors are engineered for versatility, providing a secure hold on drywall, concrete, brick, and wood. They are ideal for mounting various household items, from picture frames to light fixtures. You'll receive 135 anchors and 135 screws, all in a convenient organizer. Plus, enjoy a hassle-free shopping experience with our 1-month replacement and refund service. What we like. With 5 essential sizes and a convenient organizer, this kit simplifies your projects. The premium nylon and PE compound offers superior durability and a tight grip, while the galvanized screws provide strength. If you're looking for a versatile assortment for various hanging needs and appreciate easy organization, this is the perfect solution for your home decor projects. What people say. These anchors are very sturdy and hold up well. Easy to install and they grip the drywall securely. The design allows for a strong hold, even with heavier items. Number 3. KURUI 140 PCS Drywall Anchors with Screws Kit. Introducing the KURUI 140 PCS Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors with Screws Kit. These heavy-duty anchors are designed for secure hanging on sheetrock. Crafted from premium nylon and glass fiber, these anchors are exceptionally hard, durable, and wear-resistant. They provide a strong grip without damaging your walls. Featuring deep threads for a secure, pull-out resistant hold, these anchors can support up to 75 pounds. They are perfect for hanging heavy-duty items like pictures and mirrors. Install them easily with just a screwdriver or screw gun, no pre-drilled holes required. They create less dust and can be removed and reused. Ideal for medium-duty applications, these anchors are perfect for hanging various items in your bathroom, kitchen, or living areas, including shelves, mirrors, and curtain rods. We prioritize your satisfaction. Enjoy our 24/7 friendly customer service for any questions you may have about your purchase. What we like. Engineered with nylon and glass fiber, these anchors offer exceptional hardness and wear resistance, capable of holding up to 75 pounds. Their self-drilling design makes installation effortless without a pre-drilled hole, producing less dust. If you're tackling medium-duty applications and need a strong, easy-to-install anchor for items like heavy pictures or shelving, this is an excellent option. What people say. These anchors are incredibly easy to install, requiring no special tools. They hold up heavy items securely without pulling out of the drywall. The design allows for a flush finish against the wall, making them look neat. Number 2. ISPINNER Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors Assortment Kit. Introducing the ISPINNER Self-Drilling Drywall Anchors Assortment Kit. This kit provides a reliable solution for your mounting needs. Crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly plastic nylon, these anchors are built for long-lasting durability and performance. This comprehensive kit includes 35 anchors of size 13 by 42 mm and 35 anchors of size 15 by 33 mm, along with 70 matching pan screws. Forget the hassle of pre-drilling. These self-drilling anchors are designed to be installed directly into gypsum wallboard without any extra tools. Easily remove your mounted items by taking out the screw, leaving the anchor securely in place for future use without damaging your wall. Perfect for more than just gypsum wallboard, they also work effectively in lightweight concrete, hollow bricks, and other softer materials. What we like. Crafted from high-quality, eco-friendly plastic nylon, these anchors are designed for long-term use and can be reused. They install without a pre-drilled hole, and you can remove the screw while leaving the anchor in place for future use. If you appreciate the convenience of no-drill installation and the flexibility of reusability for lighter items on various softer materials, this kit is a practical choice. What people say. These anchors are very sturdy and hold up well even with heavy items. The design makes them easy to install, even for beginners. They provide a secure hold in drywall, preventing items from falling. Number 1. Mortice and Tenon Heavy-Duty Wall Anchors. Don't settle for anchors that crack under pressure. Our advanced material is engineered for a stronger, more rigid hold than other top-selling options. Experience superior stiffness and wear resistance for securing heavy items. Confidently hang what others can't. Each anchor is engineered to support a massive 90 pounds in standard drywall. Securely mount heavy items without fear of pullouts or wall damage. Forget the toolbox, dust, and frustration. The aggressive, self-drilling tip bites into sheetrock instantly with just a screwdriver. Get a perfect, flush finish in under 60 seconds. There is no substitute for superior materials. This high-performance thermoplastic is renowned for its extreme durability and heat resistance. Feel the difference quality makes. You are holding the last drywall anchor kit you'll ever need. We are so confident our anchors will outperform any other you've tried that we back every kit with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Hang with absolute confidence. What we like. Boasting 30% greater strength than leading brands with its advanced nylon 66 material, this anchor provides an unmatched 90 pounds holding power. The aggressive self-drilling tip allows for effortless, no-drill installation with just a screwdriver. If you need to mount heavy items like TV brackets, cabinets, or large mirrors and demand professional-grade strength and reliability, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. These anchors are very sturdy and hold up well even with heavy items. The design of these anchors makes them easy to install, even for beginners. They provide a secure and reliable hold in drywall, preventing items from falling. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.